Hi, this is Richard Quack here, coming to you live from Malaysia. I would like to welcome you to my weekly live video, and in today's session, I would like to talk about personal development. And the topic is time is an illusion. Now, this is a very interesting topic, all right? So basically, it may be a bit complicated to you, but please bear with me, okay? Now, we all know that we have only 24 hours a day, isn't it true? Whether you are a billionaire or you are a pauper, all of us have got 24 hours a day, that's all right? Now, I said that time is an illusion. Why is that so? Now, in different countries, we have different time, right? In different countries, we have different time. Like now in Malaysia, it is 10 p.m. But in New York, it is 10 a.m. in the morning. So basically, why is it not the same? All right. So basically, there is a difference in time. So to me, time is an illusion. All right. Time is an illusion. We have been used to expressing time with Newtonian physics. That is the normal way of expressing time. All right, time is linear. According to what you call Newtonian physics, time is linear, is horizontal. Okay, now let's say this is time. All right, this is time here. We got the present, we got the past, and we got the future. So it's linear. That's how we calculate time according to Newtonian physics. Okay. Now, time is linear. It is actually the time taken from one point of possibility to another point of possibility. Okay, one point of possibility to another point of possibility, it takes time. I give you an example here. Okay, if you are reading a book, okay, you start with the first page to the last page. That takes time. All right, that is taking you a certain amount of time. All right. Now let's talk about planning to purchase a house. All right. If you want to plan to purchase a house, number one, you got to look for a suitable house. Okay, from that starting point. Then after that, you got to get a bank loan. It takes time again. Then after you get a bank loan, before you move to the house, you got to do the renovation work and so on. Isn't it true? Then after that, you move into the house. And after moving into the house, you got to make repayment over a period of time. That's how we measure time. All right, that's how we measure time from one point to another point, which is a point of awareness to another point of awareness. Okay, now that is under Newtonian physics. I hope you understand that. Okay, time is horizontal. All right, it is linear. But according to Newtonian physics, okay, we talk about matter to matter. All right, Newtonian physics is matter to matter. Therefore, it takes a long time. All right, for you to walk from point A to point B, okay, it will take time. That is what time is about. Okay, that is what it means here. All right, it takes time. So basically, in Newtonian physics, which we are using today, every single day, all right, time is horizontal and time is linear. Okay. Now I want to talk about the new science, which is according to quantum physics. Right now, according to quantum physics, the only time that we have is now. The only time that we have is now. There is no future. There is no past. So the only time is now. And time is not horizontal. Time is vertical. Right? Time is vertical like this. Time is vertical. Okay, it's a vertical line. All right, and basically there is no future, there's no past. It is only now. All right, and there are infinite possibilities in this time. There is infinite possibilities. It is not necessary to travel from matter to matter. That means from one point of possibility to another point of possibility, because it is one straight line. Everything happens in the now. So when we talk about manifestation, it is not about taking time from one point of possibility to another point of possibility. But if you use the Newtonian physics model, then it takes time. All right, if you want to become a millionaire, it takes time for you to build your business and to accumulate the wealth and so on. So basically, it takes time. But according to Newtonian physics, it is a straight line. Everything is now. So what happened is that it's not necessary to travel from matter to matter. It is not necessary to travel from matter to matter, and manifestation is about pulling the possibilities to you. All right. When time is vertical like this, okay, there is no past, there's no future. Everything happens in the present moment, in the now. And what we do in quantum physics is we go into the quantum field, because in the quantum field there are infinite possibilities there. So what you are doing is that you are pulling the possibilities to you. All right, you're pulling the the possibility to you, and it is going to be very, very fast, because there is no space. It's now. All right. Now you all know that everything in this world is about energy. All right, everything is energy. So basically, energy can never be destroyed or created. And basically, energy is about frequencies and through thoughts. All right, frequencies to thoughts. Therefore, in the quantum field, all right, basically, everything happens in the present moment. That's why you read about books talking about be in the present moment, be in the now. Because when you are in the present moment, you are in the now. That is the point of creation. There is no past, there's no future. Everything is in vertical line like this. Okay, one straight line. So when you have one straight line vertically, there's no past, there is no present. It's all in the now. And here we are talking about frequencies. That's all. Okay, so it can happen in an instant because there is no space. All right, there is no space. When you talk about what's called Newtonian physics, there is space, because to travel from here to here, it takes time. Are you with me or not? Okay, for example, I give you, according to Newtonian physics, all right, to travel from point A to point B, okay, if you know how far it is, then you can calculate the time it takes to reach to point B. And it will take time because you have to travel to space, all right, travel to space to point B. So that is what what you call Newtonian physics is about. So a lot of people are still using matter to matter, which is Newtonian physics, and it is going to be taking a lot of time, because from one point to another point, it takes time. But according to quantum physics, all right, time is just vertical, and it happens now, instant. All right, and it is not about becoming a millionaire, let's say. All right, it is choosing the possibility in the quantum field that is going to be put to you. Because according to quantum physics, all right, there are infinite possibilities outside there. Okay, there are possibilities outside there. That means you as a millionaire, you as a billionaire is already existing there. All right, it's only pulling that possibility to you. That's all. Now I know that this sounds a bit strange, but this is what it is about. I hope that you understand what I try to put it as simple as possible for you. All right. So let me summarize for you what I shared today. Time is an illusion. All right. Time is an illusion because although we have 24 hours a day, that's all. But then in different countries we have different time. Isn't it true or not? We have been using and expressing time with Newtonian physics. That's what we have been using all the time. That's why we say that time, there is a now, there is a past, and there is a present, because it is horizontal. But when you talk about quantum physics, it is all in the present moment, vertical line. That's all. All right, and from this point to this point is all about frequency. That's all. Frequencies, okay, and vibration, because all of us are energy. Everything in this universe is energy, and through thoughts, we will create the frequency, the energy, for us to be able to achieve what we want faster. Okay, that's all my sharing for today. I hope that you learned something here. If you like what you hear and see, please feel free to like, to share, and to comment. Okay, so this is Richard Quek here. I will see you again on Friday for another session of my live video. So this is Richard Quek here from Malaysia, wishing you good night and goodbye.